In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map your Dubsado lead capture form to Insightly via Zapier. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and integrate these two powerful tools, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, we'll go through the process step by step to ensure your leads are captured accurately and automatically. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and head to the Zapier website. Simply type Zapier in the search bar and hit Enter. Zapier is a fantastic tool that automates data flow between different apps, saving you loads of time and manual effort. Once you've reached the Zapier homepage, it's time to log in. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to create one. Otherwise, enter your login details, and you'll find yourself on the Zapier dashboard, ready to start creating. Next up, we're going to create a new Zap. A Zap is an automated workflow that connects your apps and services. Look for the option to create a Zap, usually highlighted prominently on the dashboard, and click to begin. This will open up a new interface dedicated to building your workflow. In the first step of creating your Zap, you'll need to select Insightly as your primary app. Go ahead and type Insightly into the app search bar. Once you see it pop up in the list of options, click on it to select. This is where your lead information will be sent automatically through Zapier. Now, you need to choose a trigger event in Insightly. Basically, this is what will prompt Zapier to spring into action, such as a new lead. Also, make sure you're connected to the correct Insightly account. Zapier might ask you for an API key at this point, which you can get from your Insightly account settings if needed. Moving on, it's time to set up your action step by connecting Dubsado to Zapier. Scroll down to the action node within your Zap setup, search for Dubsado, and click to select. You'll also need to pick an action event like creating a new contact. Sign in to your Dubsado account if prompted, and again, be ready to provide an API key if asked. This ensures that Zapier can communicate effectively with your Dubsado account. Now, in the Zap setup, you need to map the fields from your Dubsado form to the corresponding fields in your Insightly record. This means ensuring that details such as name, email, and phone number from your Dubsado form find their way into the right places in Insightly. Take your time with this step to make sure that each piece of data is correctly aligned. Finally, it's time to test your Zap to see if everything's working smoothly. Click on the Test and Review or Test and Continue button to give your Zap a trial run. This will check that the data is flowing as expected. If everything checks out, you're all set. And there you have it, just a few easy steps to integrate Dubsado and Insightly using Zapier. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting your lead capture forms seamlessly connected. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials. Happy automating!